Karate Georgie strikes again. This time, the former cop disarms gunman.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Former policeman Clive Karate Georgie Lawrence rolled back the years in Farmites in Montego Bay, St. James on Sunday, October 28, when he single-handedly confronted and disarmed a gunman, preventing a possible murder. Lawrence, who resigned from the Jamaica Constabulary Force 5 years ago, was sitting in his car at a car wash in Farm Heights at about 1 p.m. when a man rode up on a motorcycle, pulled a firearm from his waistband, and began chasing an employee at the car wash. Lawrence immediately sprang into action. He pulled his licensed firearm and confronted the gunman, who he ordered to surrender the weapon. "I heard people shouting that I should kill him," said Lawrence. "There was no need to shoot him. He surrendered and was begging for his life." The gunman, who was later identified as 39-year-old Richard Omar McLeish of a Farm Heights address, was arrested on the spot. A Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol, which he had in his possession, was seized. "A man like Karate Georgie shouldn't leave the force. Criminals fear and respect him," remarked a resident. "From the man say the great Karate Georgie, him turn idiot. Him just stand up, him tremble like a leaf." In November of 2017, Lawrence shot and injured 2 of 6 gunmen who tried to rob him in the volatile Russia community in Savanna-la-mar, Westmoreland. "They started taking out my pouch and other things from the car when one of them recognized me, panicked and shouted out with an expletive, 'A Karate Georgie,'" recalled Lawrence. "I dived out of the car, rolled over and pulled my gun and started to ward them. 2 get shot and the others ran away." The 2 gangsters who were shot were arrested when they showed up at the Savanna-la-mar hospital. They were charged with illegal possession of firearms, shooting with intent, and robbery. "Although I am no longer a serving member of the force, I am still a citizen of Jamaica," said Lawrence. "I care about my country, and I am not going to stand by and watch a man commit murder and don't do anything," he said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.